Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Reaction of a carbonate ester with excess Grignard reagent. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. Diethyl carbonate, ETOC, is equal to O-OET, is a carbonate ester with a carbonyl flanked by two ethoxy groups. Moving on to the next step. First equivalent of CH3NGBr attacks the carbonyl carbon of diethyl carbonate. The tetrahedral intermediate collapses, expelling one ethoxide, OET, as a leaving group, generating an ester, CH3C, is equal to O-OET, ethyl acetate. This is the intermediate after the first addition. And for the final step, since CH3NGBr is in excess, a second equivalent of CH3NGBr attacks the carbonyl of the newly formed ethyl acetate. The tetrahedral intermediate collapses, expelling OET-, generating a ketone intermediate, acetone, CH3C, is equal to O-CH3. But this is not isolated because excess Grignard is still present. A third equivalent of CH3NGBr adds to acetone, CH3C, is equal to O-CH3 at the carbonyl, giving a magnesium alkoxide, CH3C, ONGBr, CH3, Work up with H3O+, aqueous acid, protonates the alkoxide to give the tertiary alcohol, CH3C, of CH3, which is 2-methyl-2-propanol, tert-butanol. The central carbon bears 1 OH and 3 CH3 groups. Why other options fail? A. CH3C is equal to O-OET is only the first intermediate, not the final product with excess Grignard. B. CH3C is equal to O-CH3, acetone, is a second intermediate, excess Grignard reacts further with it. D. CH3CH2CH3, propane, is not a product of this reaction sequence. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.